बोल।
सर बोलूं?
हाँ।
Today I am telling about the newspaper. Newspaper is very useful thing. There are many types of newspaper like Rajasthan Patrika, Dainik Bhaskar, The Times of India, etc. And there are many news in newspaper like political, economic, social. At present time, nowadays Corona is going and many types of news of Corona. And newspaper is very useful for us. We can increase our knowledge by the help of newspaper.
शाबाश।
And we can develop our writing skill and reading skill by the help of newspaper.
शाबाश।
And day by day when we are reading newspaper, we can read speedily. And it is a means of advertisement. And there are many types of advertisement like newspaper is classified, non classified, and surrogate advertisement, etc. And uh, there are many religious news in newspaper. There are many sports news in newspaper. It is a developed by the help of newspaper. We can develop our writing skills and read easily. That's all.
Today I am talking about newspaper. Newspaper is very useful for everyone, old men, young men, childrens, all people. It is very good thing. It increase our knowledge. It has separate parts of all types news like political section, sports section, education section, business section, advertisement section, etc. We can get all types of news with the help of it. We can give our advertisement in it, and we can know about other countries and and the relation of our country with other countries. And we can know about the rate of things with the help of it. We can know about education. We can know about other types of competition. And it is very useful for competition exams. We can increase our knowledge with the help of it. We should read it daily and constantly. And it is in all languages. And our reading skill is also improve with the help of it. And it has good and bad both of the news. And we can know about the plans of government with the help of it. And सर है ना उसको क्या बोलते हैं, जैसे किसी सरकार के कार्यों पर वो रखता है, ध्यान रखता है.
हाँ, it watches, it keeps a watch on the government work. हाँ.
It keeps a watch on the work of government. So government must do work in the in the favor of people,
Public.
with the public. So it is so important for us. We can know about many types of news from it. And we can know about budget, when budget will passed in parliament.
Is passed.
That's all.
Okay.
Today I am telling about a newspaper. Newspaper is very useful thing in our life. Everyone should read a newspaper daily. There are so many types of newspaper like Dainik Bhaskar, Rajasthan Patrika, Times of India. By reading the English newspaper, we can improve our learning knowledge. We can improve our learning knowledge. There are so many types of news like education news, political news, religious news, sports news, etc. By newspaper, unemployment persons get jobs through
Unemployed
newspaper.
without newspaper.
Unemployed persons
Huh.
get job
Hmm.
through newspaper, but by newspaper we can increase our knowledge. It is very useful thing. It is very useful thing. Newspaper gives us other countries knowledge also. by reading newspaper our by reading newspaper our दिमागी ताकत,
We improve our
we
mental
improve
mental
our
strength. Huh.
mental strength.
Hmm.
Through newspaper, we know that what is the price of petrol, diesel, gold, silver, etc.
Hmm.
Newspaper is a good thing. There is so many news like good news and bad news in the newspaper. Through newspaper, we can upload our advertisement.
We can publish.
We can publish our advertisement. We through newspaper we can find the flat
Hmm.
lands through newspaper. That's it,
Shabash.
sir.
Well,
Newspaper is like a true and sincere friend. Uh, we wake up early in the morning. We wake up in the morning, and newspaper newspaper makes us able that we can know about our state, country, or all over the world. What is going on in all over the world? We can know what is the situation in our country by the newspaper. There are many and separate columns about every type of news in newspapers. Like they have the sports page, business page, political page, and entertainment page also. We can read news according our choice. Newspaper enhance our general knowledge also. By reading it continuously, we can enhance our knowledge. And it is the chain between the government and people. Government make publicly the policies and plans with the help of newspaper, and the public also tell their problems with the help of newspaper to the government. It is like the mirror. Newspapers are like the mirror which show the actual position of our society, what is happening in our society. We can say that newspapers are like a watchdog of human rights, because they save our rights. We can tell our problems to anyone with the help of newspaper. And that's it, sir.
Newspaper is very useful for us. We can improve our reading capacity by newspaper. And there are many types of news like crimes, sports, politics, economical, educational, etc. We can get information of our country and other countries by newspaper.
Shabash.
Newspaper, there are many types of variety of newspapers like Rajasthan Patrika, Dainik Bhaskar, Times of India, etc. By English newspaper, we can increase our reading capacity in English, and we can improve our learning capacity
And there are also many advertisements, many types of advertise in newspaper, and that's it, sir.
Very
Uh, Newspaper has become an important part of human life. It is a medium between people and government. Uh, there are many types of newspaper, and there are many there are many types of newspaper. Uh, Newspaper increase human confidence and personality. There are many columns in newspaper, like economic column, political column, Bollywood column, business column,
हाँ बेटा
and but it is very useful for human. They can increase their reading skills. There are many many news in newspaper for students. By it they can increase their knowledge. There are many knowledge for competitive student. They can get they can get current affair from newspaper. A person who want to get a job, so newspaper, he can get jobs from newspaper, because there are many advertisement of jobs in newspaper. So that's it.
हाँ
I am telling about newspaper. Newspaper is very useful for every person. There are many types of newspaper like in Hindustan of Times, Rajasthan Patrika, Dainik Bhaskar, etc. It gives knowledge for us. It develops our mind. It gives knowledge for other countries,
of other countries for नहीं
of
of
other
हाँ
countries. Yes.
Today I am telling about newspaper.
हम्म,
Newspaper is very important thing for young children and olds.
very good शाबाश
There are many news of newspaper by newspaper
in newspaper
in newspaper,
हाँ
like sports and recipes of food,
याद कर कौन कौन सी
and
खबरें आती हैं
stories,
हाँ पॉलिटिकल
political,
इकोनॉमिक
economic,
और शाबाश और क्या क्या आता है
and
न्यूज़पेपर में हाँ
about government also,
शाबाश
and there are many newses of other countries also.
शाबाश वेरी गुड छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना बना के बोलता जा तूने तमाचा मार दिया है सब बड़े बड़े के मुंह पे आज जितने बैठे हुए हैं शाबाश
And Newspaper is very useful thing, and its rate is 4 rupees,
शाबाश
and there are many newses of election
शाबाश वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छा और न्यूज़ नहीं
and
न्यूज़ ही काफी है बस
okay sir. Nowadays corona is going on, so
शाबाश
there are lot of news of corona and news of other countries also.
आज
That's it.
यूट्यूब पे डलवाऊंगा मैं आज